Hi class! For our reading lesson, we will read about the short story of a little bird. So you listen carefully to teacher as I read the story, and then later I will let you read it on your own. Alright? So let's begin. A little bird. I see a bird in the bush. The bird is very little. It is blue. The bird is looking for a worm. Now it's your turn. Great job! Did you understand our short story? Great. The story is about what? Yes, a little bird. And what is the color of the bird? Correct. The bird is color blue and the bird is so little. And where is the bird? It is on the bush, meaning the bird is on the leaves. You can see surrounded by leaves. And what does this little bird looking for? Yes, you're correct. The bird is looking for a worm. Maybe he's hungry, that's why he needs some food, and that's why he's looking for a worm. For your activity, practice reading the short story, A Little Bird, and then answers the questions 1 to 3 in your workbook, worksheet number 1 on page 15. Write your answers on the lines provided. Have fun learning K2 Lavender. See you soon. Bye!